In this video, I'll be taking you through how I came up with this glossy effect right here in Photoshop. If you are new here, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you are old here, you're welcome back. In order to get the resources used in this video, kindly check the description below for it. Now let's get started. First off, you have to open your Photoshop and import your background. So you go to File, select Open. This is the image I'll be using today. Perfect. So I got this image from Pinterest. I just typed black portrait, and this was the first image I saw. So I downloaded it, and that's what I'm using for this week. Next, let's duplicate our background. So Ctrl J will do that for you. Perfect. Convert it to Smart Object and select Filter, and you go to Filter Gallery. So just as shown on your screen, under the distort options, we have diffuse glow, we have the glass, we have the ocean ripple. I mean, there are a lot over here, but for the sake of this video, we are sticking to the glass. Now under the glass, you go down to the texture panel and select here to load texture. So then you open the texture in the resource file in the description. Perfect. So you can copy my settings here. And when you're done, you select OK. Perfect. So now this is what you have here right now. What you are going to do is to add some curves. So you select curves and bring this right here. Don't make it too much. Perfect. Don't worry how it's looking right now. You go to image and select apply image. So now you can copy my settings over here: merged, RGB, multiply, opacity 100%, and select OK. So this is how it's looking now. This was before and this is now. So then now we'll create a snapshot of this. That's by using Ctrl Alt Shift and E. So that does the magic for you, right? So now over here we want to add some vignettes to it, some vignette effects. So you select your brush tool and make this as your fore color, and you paint the edges. Good. So this is without the vignette, and this is with the vignette. What you are going to do now is to create another snapshot. That's Alt, Ctrl, Shift, and E. Then you convert it to Smart Objects and head on to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. Perfect. So over here, you increase your contrast to, let's see, 60. Say 60. And you reduce your highlights a bit. Increase your shadows and your whites a bit. And very much important, you have to increase your texture to give it that effect and your clarity, not too much. Perfect. So this is what we had before, and this is what we have now. You can see the difference. When done, you select OK. Perfect. So this is what we had before, and this is what we have now. What we are going to do now is to select the hue or saturation. You turn on the colorize. Perfect. So now you have to select the color of your choice. let's stick to this color. So now let's increase the saturation to make it more vibrant and more bright. Or you can change the color anyhow you want it. Perfect. So now it's time to add your text. You select the text tool and type anything you want. Let's say Sarkodie. Let's change the color to white. Sarkodie. Perfect. So with that, you are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you anytime you need it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. So our next video, peace.